day, everyone. I am Jaishal Nakila in the Cuentario. We are here in front of SPJ building in Zambales National High School. From the moment we step into a classroom, a silent question fills our mind. What's your grade? It's a question that follows us, shapes us, and for many begins to define us. But does a number truly capture the definition of who a student is? Does grades define you as a person?
For me, yes po. Kasi po yung grades po natin, dun po dumedepende yung future natin. And yung iba po, kung hindi po sila nakaka-perform well sa school, yung iba po kasi ginagawa yung pangkutsa sa kanila. So yes, for me, grades do define me.
Guys, do you think grades define you as a person? No, I don't think grades define me as a person because grades are just numbers. And there are a lot more factors to consider such as your skills in real life. For instance, you may be smart in school, but if you don't even know how to function properly when the real world hits you, then it's no use. Oh, that's a great answer. How about you? Let's hear your side. Yes, I think grades define me as a person because grades are numbers that needs to be a consistent and most students are driven by academic pressure and standards. It's not like they want to, but it shapes their future whether they will thrive it or not. Well, I don't agree because as we know, even students with a lack of education become successful later in the future with enough experience and dedication. But students are often expected to maintain a certain grade in school in order to earn praise, which makes them think that without their achievements, they are nothing at all. They think that they have to earn a title in order to be worthy of something so simple such as love and care. Oh, now I get what you mean. Even though grades don't define a person literally, when surrounded by people like their parents who have unrealistic expectation, it often shapes like their values and they can't help but think that grades are all that matters. As you said, it's not like they want to, so we can't really blame them for thinking that way. We also can't deny that in today's society, lack of education is often frowned upon, especially in employment, which results in limited job opportunities. Both of you has a point. Why? Because in this generation, children often feel pressured by their parents and have to meet certain expectations, which makes grades define them as a person. Meanwhile, grades can also not be defined them as a person because some students don't need grades to be successful in the future. What really matters is how you will apply what you've learned in your real life. Does grades define you as a person?
For me, grades doesn't define me as a person talaga kasi mas binavalue ko yung skills, yung pakikitungo sa tao, pakikipagkapwa, ganun, kaysa sa grades. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, para sa akin, mas binavalue yung mga kayang makikapwa, makihalubilo ng ano. Kasi sometimes yung kahit matataas yung grade na nakukuha mo, ang tendency hindi ka marunong makipagka. Pero overall, half-half kasi yan. Dapat kahit nagbavalue sa'yo yung grades mo, nagmamatter sa'yo yung grades mo, at the same time, nagmamatter sa'yo yung skills, yung pakikisama sa kapwa.
What about you? Does grades define you as a person? Again, this is Jaishal Nakila reporting for the Conquario.